we have taken another question. Question number 12 is that cos 30 plus sin 60 is divided by 1 plus cos 60 plus sin 60. Then we have proved the value of root 3 by 2. Then we have solved that taking the first side on LHS. Taking LHS side. Now we have value is a cos 30 is the value that root 3 by 2 and plus sin 60. Sin 60 we have know the value is also root 3 by 2 and divide by 1 plus and cos 60. Now cos 60 is value 1 by 2 and plus is sin 60 is also 1 by 2. Now we have see the value half and half is 1 and 1 is equal 2. Then sum of all value have 2 and root 3 plus root 3 by taking LCM of 2 and we have see the value root 3 is a 2 times root 3. Then cancel of 2 and 2 and the root 3 by 2 with the value RHS. It's simple. Again we have seen the question is cos 30 plus sin 60 divided by 1 plus cos 60 and sin 30 is the value that root 3 by 2. Taking LHS side and cos 30 is the value root 3 by 2 and sin 60 also root 3 by 2 and divide by 1 plus cos 60 is that 1 by 2 and sin 60 is that 1 by 2. Now we have seen the half plus half is a 1 and 1 is all over 2 and LCM of taking LCM is a 2 and root 3 is a 2 times root 3 and cancel of 2 and 2 and root 3 upside and 2 downside. Then the value is root 3 by 2 is also RHS. Now see the another question, question number 15 is that value cos square 45 and sec square 30 and sin square 90 and plus and dot cos 60 is that value 4 by 3. Now we have also proved that the value 4 by 3. Again we have taking LHS. First of all we see the value is a cosec 45. We know very well is the cosec 45 is the reciprocal of sin 45 and now sin 45 value is 1 by root 2. Then the reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is that root 2 by 1. Now sec 30 is a sec 30 value of the reciprocal of cos 30 and cos 30 is a value root 3 by 2. Then the reciprocal of 2 by root 3 and sin 90 is that 1 and cos 60 is that 1 by 2. Now we have put the value in all is cos square theta again by the question cos square that means root 2 by 1 with whole square and multiply by sec square 30 that means 2 by root 3 with whole square and sin square 90 is sin 90 is 1 with the whole square is also 1 and cos 60 is that value 1 by 2. So square of root 2 is that value 2 multiplied by square of 2 is that 4 and root 3 square root 3 multiplied by that value we have write the 3 and 1 is also 1 and 1 by 2 is also 1 by 2. Cancel of 2 is 2 then multiply by 1 is a 4 by 3 is a 4 by 3 is a value that RHS. You can see that easily both the question are easily and you can take a screenshot for this and solve the question. Another question is question number 16 sin 60 plus sin 30 divided by sin 60 minus sin 30 is equal that tan 60 plus tan 45 divided by tan 60 minus tan 45. Now we have taken the LHS side. Now first of all we have seen the value sin 60 is that root 3 by 2 and plus sin 30 is that value 1 by 2 and divided by sin 60 is that root 3 by 2 minus sin 30 is that value 1 by 2. Taking LCM of upside is 2. Then we have see the root 3 plus 1 and also taking LCM in denominator side is root 3 minus 1. Then by reciprocal we have see the value root 3 plus 1 by 2 and also multiply by 2 by root 3 minus 1. Then cancel of root 2 then value is final root 3 plus 1 and divide by root 3 minus 1. Now we have see the right side is that tan 60 value root 3 and plus is 1045. A 1045 value is that 1. Now 1060 as again root 3 and 1045 is also again. Now we see the value in the root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. Now we have seen the value LHS and RHS both sides are equal. Then the value of root 3 plus 1 and divided by root 3 minus 1. We have seen that question number 19 is that 1 minus sine 45 plus sine 30 is that multiply with 1 plus cos 45 and cos 60. Now start with the 1 minus sine 45 is that value 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is that value 1 by 2. Now 1 plus cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 and cos 60 is that 1 by 2. We have seen the value 1 minus root 2 plus half 1 plus 1 by root 2 and plus half. We can also write that 1 plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by root 2 and second value is that 1 plus 1 by 2 and plus 1 by root 2 because we have seen the 1 plus half is that 3 by 2 or 1 and half is 3 by 2 in quadratic by sense of humor and second value also 3 by 2 is plus 1 by root 2. Now we have seen the first plus with second and first term with second minus term is that we can say a minus b and a plus b is that formula of a square minus b square. Now similar we have right from formula is that first value 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 and 3 by 2 is minus with 1 by root 2 then square of 3 by 2 and minus square of 1 by root 2. We can see the value is 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Then we have taking LCM is that 4 and taking LCM 4 is 9 minus multiply by 2 is 2 1 2. Then the value is 7 by 4. Is that RHS. Now again we have discussed that the question 1 minus sine 45 plus sine 30 is that multiply with 1 plus cos 45 and plus cos 60 is that final answer. We have proved that the value of 7 by 4. Then first of all we have put the value sine 45 and sine 30 and cos 45 and cos 60 and we have arranged the term of 1 plus half minus 1 by root 2 and 1 plus half and plus 1 by root 2. We have seen the value 1 and half is converting to 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 and 3 by 2 plus 1 by root 2. Then a plus b and a minus b. We know the formula of a plus b and a minus b is that equal a square minus b square. So we have used this formula for this question. In question square of 3 by 2 is that clear 9 by 4 and square of 1 by root 2 is that 1 by 2. Then taking LCM is that 4, 9 minus 2 is 7 over 4 is that RHS. Thanks a lot watching my video. Have a nice day.